Hi everyone, welcome back to Retell AI course. In the previous video, we have seen some overview of the dashboard. Now we will go to each section of the dashboard and explain in a well way. So in the first we have is the agent section. In the agent section we have a folder where we can create a folder name and then add agents there to separate all the agents. So in the first section, we also have a create account, which we use to create a voice agent and a chat agent. So let's say we are creating a voice agent and we have to type conversational single prompt. Uh, we will talk about later, but let's say a single prompt, then create an agent. Now you are inside an agent where you can define different parameters and different prompt to build an agent. So this is the section look like, and uh, in the right hand side you can see we have a different section over here: function, knowledge base, uh, call setting, and different. And uh, there we can define the prompt. And the prompt, it's like telling the agent what he need to do, how it's look like, what's the role objective, how conversation look like for a specific. And then in the right side you can test it, because we need to do a lot of testing to make the agent production ready, because it's not easy to make it production ready. We need to test more. So if you go back, you can see then we have a knowledge base section. The knowledge base means you give some data to an agent, so that the agent can use this knowledge to apply on the specific industry. For example, if it's a receptionist, let's say if it's an auto dealership, then we need a car's details in the specific file, so that the agent can use that knowledge to answer customer question. So to create a knowledge base, we will enter a knowledge base like, let's say, uh, cars collection. We can give a name, and then we add a document. To upload a file, we need to use upload file, and we can also add some text. And the first is the website. So let's say we have a car business. So let's say this one. Now you can use these URLs where you have website information, and then place in the web page. So once you save it, you can see we have a different pages here. Okay, so this website has two pages, which is the main page and then other. So we could have a different URLs based on the websites, and we can then add it, and it will save there. Let's say save. Now you can see it is in progress. That means it's adding this, and now now agent has access to this website to answer the question. The third is the phone number, which will be used the more, and it's like to connect the agent to a phone number so that we can call on a specific number. We have two options: to create a number or to connect. We will see later. But to buy a number, we can go there. And the Twilio and the Telenex are the phone number provider that give us the number. So for the standard, we have $2 a month, and toll free number is $5 a month. We have two options: United States and the Canada, and we can search using a number. And so we need to add a payment method for this. And there is the call history tab, which we use. So let's say we run the agent, and now it's providing a duration, so 35-second call. And you can see we have a channel type, then how much it costs. So it's $0.085, and the end reason, the session, and different section there. And if you click them, then you can see we have a details prompt here, sorry, in knowledge here. So you can run the it is this is the recording between the agent and the customer. And now we have a summary. The user called Skin Master Beauty to book an appointment, and then we have all the transcript is like the transcript is like what you are saying, and the agent. Thanks for calling Skin Master Beauty. How can I? This is all the information. You can download the recording from there. And now we have others note, which we look at later. And we also have a filter where we can filter by calls. So if you go to agent section, uh, then you can also import the other agent. So let's say someone create an agent and he export it, download it, and now it can use this agent to other platform. So if you go to a function, so let me show you. Once you create a voice agent, you can use single prompt, and once you create a prompt, so we have create here. Okay. So you can see we have different models here, which uh, you can no need to change. But you can see we have a voices. You can select a different voice here. Uh, there are a lot of different voices, and there is a custom provider. So this is a platform voices. That means they're retail providing, and there are some custom providers like you can. We have 11 labs, and that's basically have a good voices you can select from here. And then you can select the language which you want to speak the agent, and then we have a different section here which will be